Section 3, Yin and Yang in Sleep. Hey there, my friend. I am Jimmy. I hope you're getting comfortable because now we're diving into one of the most important aspects of our lives, sleep. I know it might sound a little obvious, but sleep is actually one of the most vital parts of keeping yin and yang in balance. In fact, without enough quality sleep, your body can't recharge, your energy can't flow properly, and your yin and yang can get way out of sync. So, let's chat about why sleep is so important in TCM and how it helps maintain this balance. The importance of sleep in TCM, why sleep is essential for maintaining the balance of yin and yang. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, sleep is viewed as absolutely essential for maintaining the balance of yin and yang. Think about it this way. Your body needs restful sleep to recharge, rebalance, and restore your energy. During the day, your yang energy is active and gets you through your tasks, your work, and everything in between. But when the sun sets, it's time for yin energy to take over and bring you into a restful, calm state. This is where sleep becomes the bridge between active daytime yang energy and restorative nighttime yin energy. When you sleep, your body has the chance to recover from the day's yang-driven activities, allowing your yin energy to rise and nourish the body and mind. Why is sleep so important for yin and yang? In TCM, sleep is a time for your body to replenish its yin energy. During sleep, your body's yang energy, the active, warming energy, naturally subsides, while yin, the cooling, restorative energy, rises to balance things out. This is why good sleep is essential for restoring your yin reserves, maintaining a healthy flow of qi, vital energy, and keeping everything running smoothly. Here's a fun way to think about it. Daytime is for yang, you're up, active and moving. Nighttime is for yin, it's the time for your body to relax, regenerate, and prepare for the next day. When we don't get enough sleep, or if the quality of our sleep is poor, yin energy can get depleted and yang energy can become overactive, which leads to imbalance. Restorative nature of sleep as the time when the body recharges, harmonizing yin and yang. Now that we understand why sleep is essential for maintaining yin and yang balance, let's talk about the restorative nature of sleep. This is when the magic really happens. Recharging your yin energy. In TCM, sleep is seen as the time when your body restores and recharges its yin energy. Think of it like a phone that needs to be plugged in overnight to recharge its battery. Your yin energy is like that battery. It fuels your body's ability to rest, recover, and heal. The more deep, restful sleep you get, the more yin energy your body can absorb, helping you to feel restored and balanced for the next day. Restoring your yang energy. On the flip side, yang energy needs rest too. While yin replenishes your body's reserves, yang needs sleep to calm down and settle after being active throughout the day. If your yang energy is too active, it can prevent your body from fully relaxing during the night. That's why if you're feeling restless, unable to fall asleep, or if your mind is racing, it's often a sign that your yang energy is still too high, and you need to calm it down with proper sleep. The body's healing process. During sleep, during the night, sleep activates your body's natural healing processes. This includes repairing cells, restoring energy, boosting the immune system, and balancing the flow of qi. In TCM, it's believed that your body is naturally able to harmonize its yin and yang while you sleep, bringing your energies back into balance. Imagine this. During the day, you're out there using your yang energy for work, socializing, and tasks. But at night, your body needs to slow down, restore itself, and give the yin energy a chance to heal, repair, and recharge your systems. This is why getting enough quality sleep is essential for both physical and emotional healing. Without it, your yin and yang energies can become depleted, leading to burnout, stress, and imbalance. Sleep cycles. How yin and yang influence the different stages of sleep from light to deep sleep. Let's talk about something super interesting, how yin and yang affect your sleep cycles. If you've ever wondered why your sleep feels so different from night to night, it's because of the natural shifts between yin and yang as your body moves through the different stages of sleep. The stages of sleep and yin-yang balance. Our sleep cycle typically has 4 stages: light sleep, deep sleep, REM, and the period when we wake up. Throughout the night, your body will move through each stage multiple times. Here's how yin and yang influence each phase. First, light sleep, yang energy winding down. In the beginning of your sleep cycle, you enter light sleep, where your body is starting to wind down. Yang energy is still present, but it begins to diminish as you start relaxing. In this phase, your yang energy is being gradually replaced by yin, allowing you to enter deeper stages of rest. The more relaxed and comfortable you are in bed, the easier it is for yin energy to take over, and the less likely you are to be disturbed by yang-related distractions, like thoughts racing through your mind. Second, deep sleep, yin energy dominant. After the light sleep phase, your body enters deep sleep, which is the most restorative part of your rest. This is when yin energy is fully dominant and your body can heal and repair. During deep sleep, your immune system strengthens, your cells regenerate, and your qi flow becomes more balanced. If you're in a healthy sleep rhythm, you'll experience several cycles of deep sleep throughout the night. This is the most important phase for replenishing your yin energy, leaving you feeling refreshed and balanced when you wake up. If you're not getting enough deep sleep, it could be because your yin energy is low or yang is too high, preventing you from entering this restorative phase. Third, REM sleep, a mix of yin and yang. REM sleep, where you dream the most, is when yang energy starts to return to the mix. Your mind becomes more active, but you're still in a deeply restful state. Yang is needed here to help your mind process the day's events, but it works in harmony with yin to keep your body at ease. If you find that your dreams are restless or you're waking up feeling more tired, it might be because your yang energy is out of balance during REM sleep, preventing you from fully relaxing. Fourth, wakefulness, yang energy rising. When you wake up, yang energy naturally begins to rise. This is when you feel alert and energized, ready to take on the day. Yin energy still plays a role, as it helps you ease into the waking hours gradually, but the dominant force is now yang. If you're feeling groggy upon waking, it could be because your yang energy is sluggish or your sleep wasn't deep enough to restore your yin. How yin and yang balance your sleep cycle. In a perfect world, your yin and yang energies would smoothly transition through the night, helping you reach deep restorative sleep. But if your yin is deficient or yang is excessive, your body's natural rhythm can be disrupted. This can lead to trouble falling asleep, waking up too early, or even feeling restless during the night. How to harmonize your yin and yang for better sleep. To make sure your yin and yang are working in harmony, here are a few tips. Wind down at night with calming activities that promote yin energy, like reading, meditating, or doing gentle stretches. Avoid stimulating foods or activities that boost yang energy right before bed, like caffeine, heavy exercise, or stressful tasks. Keep your environment cool to promote yin energy during sleep. A cooler room helps your body naturally lower its yang energy and get into deeper, more restorative sleep. And there you have it, my friend. Sleep isn't just a time for your body to rest. It's when your yin and yang work together to recharge, heal, and restore balance. In the next sections, we'll explore more ways to balance your energy for better sleep. But for now, take a deep breath, relax, and let the balance of yin and yang work its magic as you drift off into peaceful slumber. Section 4. How Yin and Yang affect sleep quality. Hey there, my friend. I am Jimmy. By now, we've explored the basics of Yin and Yang and their importance in sleep. But what happens when one of these energies is out of balance? Well, it can cause all kinds of sleep issues, from tossing and turning to waking up in the middle of the night or even feeling restless throughout the day. So, in this section, we're going to talk about how yin deficiency and excessive yang can affect the quality of your sleep and how to recognize these imbalances. Let's dive in and see how these energies influence how you sleep, what happens when they're out of balance, and how you can restore harmony for a better night's rest. Yin deficiency and insomnia, how an imbalance leads to difficulty, sleeping, restlessness, or waking up during the night. First things first, let's talk about yin deficiency. When your yin energy is low, it can lead to all sorts of sleep disruptions. In TCM, yin is the calming, cooling force that helps your body relax, repair, and restore during sleep. Without enough yin, your body can struggle to enter the restful sleep stages where deep healing happens. So, what does yin deficiency look like in terms of sleep? Difficulty falling asleep. Without enough yin to calm the body and mind, you might find it hard to fall asleep in the first place. Your yang energy might be running too high, keeping you mentally active and restless. You're tired, but your mind just won't shut off. This is often a sign that your yang energy is overpowering your yin, making it hard for you to relax and drift into sleep. Point. Restlessness. During sleep, even if you do manage to fall asleep, yin deficiency can cause you to wake up frequently. You might find yourself tossing and turning throughout the night. This restlessness happens because without enough yin, your body can't fully relax into deep, restorative sleep. The more yang energy you have, the more likely you are to feel restless. Waking up in the middle of the night. Yin deficiency can cause you to wake up in the middle of the night, especially around 2 to 4 a.m. This is often called the waking up in the middle of the night syndrome, and it's usually because yin energy is not strong enough to maintain deep sleep through the night. You might wake up feeling hot, sweaty, or even slightly anxious, all signs that your body's yin is too weak. What causes yin deficiency? Yin deficiency can come from a variety of factors, including chronic stress or emotional strain that drains your yin over time, excessive physical activity or work that overworks the body, leaving it unable to rest and recover, poor diet that doesn't nourish yin, for example, eating too many spicy, greasy foods or too much caffeine, lack of sleep or irregular sleep patterns, which further depletes your yin reserves, excessive yang and sleep disorders. How too much yang can cause disrupted sleep, with symptoms like excessive dreaming, anxiety, and difficulty falling asleep. Now let's talk about excessive yang. While yin is all about calm and rest, yang is the active, heating energy that gets you moving and alert during the day. But when there's too much yang energy, it can lead to some pretty serious sleep issues. So, how does excessive yang impact your sleep? Difficulty falling asleep and restlessness. When yang energy is too high, you might feel like you're always on edge, even when you're trying to sleep. Your mind is racing, your body is tense, and it's hard to wind down. It's like trying to go to sleep with the off switch stuck in the on position. Point. Excessive yang can keep your nervous system activated, even at night. So instead of being able to settle into a peaceful sleep, you're stuck in a state of mental and physical overstimulation. Your body might even feel hot or sweaty, which, as we know, isn't ideal for a restful night. Excessive dreaming or vivid nightmares. Here's a big one. If your yang energy is too strong, you might experience vivid dreams, nightmares, or even sleep disturbances like tossing and turning. Yang often brings excessive mental activity, so your dreams can feel hyperactive and chaotic. When your yang energy is out of control, it's like your mind is on a constant mental treadmill, never able to slow down and just relax. This can lead to more vivid or disturbing dreams than usual, and you might wake up feeling more tired than when you went to bed. Anxiety, restlessness, and irritability. Excessive yang can also make you feel more anxious, irritable, or agitated, especially as you try to go to sleep. You might find yourself lying in bed feeling wired, but with no outlet for your energy. This leads to that all too familiar feeling of restlessness and inability to relax, even though you know you need to sleep. Point. When yang is too high, it's like your body is in overdrive. It doesn't know how to switch off, making it hard to get into a peaceful, relaxing state. The role of the kidneys. How the kidneys help maintain yin and yang balance, especially in sleep quality. Now let's talk about the kidneys. They play a major role in maintaining the balance of yin and yang in the body, and that includes helping you get a good night's sleep. In TCM, the kidneys are considered the foundation of your body's energy. They store your essence, Jing, which is responsible for growth, development, and energy throughout your life. Essentially, your kidneys hold the vital energy that keeps everything running smoothly, including your sleep cycle. How the kidneys affect yin and yang balance. The kidneys are particularly important in maintaining the balance of yin and yang. They control yin and yang in the body by regulating the flow of qi energy. If the kidneys are weak or deficient, both yin and yang can become out of balance, leading to a variety of health issues, including poor sleep. Point. If the kidney yin is deficient, you'll have trouble storing energy and maintaining calmness during sleep. This might result in difficulty falling asleep or waking up during the night. Point. If the kidney yang is excessive, it can lead to restlessness, anxiety, and the feeling of being overheated at night. So, the kidneys help to regulate both yin and yang, keeping them in balance to promote restful sleep. When the kidneys are healthy, they allow the body to maintain a smooth flow of energy and regulate your sleep patterns. How to support your kidneys for better sleep. There are a few things you can do to support the health of your kidneys and maintain balance. Herbal teas like Rehmannia or goji berries are great for nourishing the kidneys and promoting relaxation. Eating kidney-supporting foods like black beans, bone broth and kidney-boosting herbs can help restore balance. Reducing stress and getting enough rest allows the kidneys to store and conserve energy properly, which in turn helps your yin and yang balance. Putting it all together. When yin and yang are out of balance, especially in the form of yin deficiency or excessive yang, sleep quality can suffer. Yin deficiency leads to restlessness, hot flashes, and waking up during the night, while excessive yang causes anxiety, vivid dreams, and an overactive mind that's hard to turn off. By paying attention to the signals your body is sending, you can begin to restore balance. Whether you need to calm excessive yang energy or nourish your yin, there are plenty of natural ways to bring your body back into harmony. So next time you're lying in bed and can't seem to fall asleep, take a moment to check in with yourself. Do you feel like your yang energy is racing too high, or is your yin energy just too low? Recognizing these imbalances is the first step toward restoring your natural sleep rhythms and getting the restful, deep sleep you need.